Chicka chicka wow wow.
Today we will be reviewing
The Avalon Eco Wash portable washer.
Hopefully they will come out clean because you need clean clothes or just not to wear any. There are actually some really cool features about this washing machine. One that it locks tight. Another is that it has suction cups on the bottom. So when you put it down, it doesn't move, it doesn't rock. That's really good engineering right there. It also has a hose that snaps into clips on a vacuum. And when you snap the hose in, all the water drains out without having to take this off. Great idea. Here we go. We're going to see how many things of clothes we could fit in there. I'm only going to use a little washing powder, and I try to get washing powder that was eco-friendly because I know it's going to go into the water supply, so I'm very conscious of not hurting the environment with washing chemicals that may go down in the water. So we're going to start with some of our dry fit clothes. We wear a lot of dry fit because it dries faster. It has the sun protectant, UV protectant in the clothing, so we like that too because this one, who's had melanoma removed, knows the importance of wearing long sleeves or sunscreen or staying in the shade. This is not closed. I don't know what it's doing in here. I fit more in there than I thought. So this washing machine has a nice lock on it. Snaps down, locks down. When you crank it, the water doesn't come out, hopefully. My Fitbit keeps thinking I'm running. Good workout. I remember to use your other arms. Now it's time to hang them dry. Want to hang out with me? We can even do it in the cockpit. That way, when you drain the soapy water out, it helps to clean the bottom of the boat. Do it inside, outside, in an apartment, anywhere you want. This is a secret. Don't tell anyone. There are times that the captain takes a bath right here. And when he does, he wears his bathing suit. Well, sometimes. Sometimes he does. But when he washes back here, he'll wear the bathing suit and then wash his clothes while he's washing his body. Thought that was a pretty smart idea. What do you think? Thank you for watching. I hope you come back for more episodes of the Crabby Captain. He's back there. And the Sunny Sailor. We have a lot of cool videos, some how-tos, and just some fun stuff. So I hope you come back and visit us again. And don't forget, subscribe. You know you want to.